Hi, my name is Elliot Chia. I'm currently working as an independent contractor for a local production house. So far, I've been involved in 3D modeling, sculpting, texturing, and rendering for various projects. I wanted to be an artist since I was in primary school. I used to draw my own video game characters and toys because I could not afford to buy them. This nurtured a desire within me to create my own characters and fictional worlds for others to enjoy. The road to get where I am today hasn't always been smooth sailing. As someone with autism, I was initially worried about coping with the workload and demands of university. Because of my condition, I also felt disadvantaged when it came to befriending others. It was stressful worrying about whether my words or behavior would be misconstrued by others, and it got worse when deadlines were approaching. Thankfully, I had help from the school's counselors and lecturers, as well as friends who journeyed with me. DigiPen Singapore has given me many opportunities to work with others and taught me how to conduct myself professionally and set up a good portfolio. It also pushed me to be more critical of my work and become a better artist. I'm proud to be a DigiPen Dragon, and I hope that I can show others with autism that they too can achieve great things with guidance and hard work.